Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a product of combustion of organic matter under conditions of restricted oxygen supply, which prevents complete oxidation to carbon dioxide. It consists of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom connected by a triple bond that consists of two covalent bonds as well as one dative bonds. Carbon monoxide are slightly less dense than air. They are very dangerous. They are also known as silent killers. They are known as silent killers because they are odorless, colorless, and a tasteless gas. Carbon monoxide is mostly seen through generators and also from vehicles.